Hello everyone and welcome to Informatica support videos. In this video, we will be covering how to create a native Oracle connection using Informatica. Oracle native connection can be created from admin console as well as with the help of the developer tool. Any connection that's created from the admin console can also be seen from the developer tool, and a connection that's created from the developer tool can also be seen from the admin console. So every Informatica product version supports only limited set of database versions. So refer PAM, which is nothing but Product Accessibility Matrix, for more information on the supported Oracle database versions. The database user should have enough permissions to read from or to write to the database that's being used. Since it's a native connection, we have to use the Oracle client. So Oracle client should be installed on the Informatica server machine. You have to set the Oracle home path variable should also include the Oracle home bin in it. Also, LD library path should include Oracle home lib in it. So all these three environment variables are must for data access. Since it's a native connection, the native connectivity will happen through the native drivers, which will be accessed through these three variables. So it is recommended to set these three variables before the starting of the domain, or if you have already started the domain and then configuring the connection, make sure that you create the connection, shut down the domain, set these variables, and then you can restart the domain. If this is in the production environment and you do not wish to restart the domain, you can also set these variables at the DIS level. So you can go to DIS processes tab and set these at the environment variable configuration. Now let us see a quick demo on how to create this connection. So this is one of the 10.4 setup that I will be using to demonstrate. So log into the admin console. As soon as you log in, you will see a manage tab and you will have 4 different tabs under it. So click on the connections tab. Connections tab will show all the list of connections available in the domain. To create a new Oracle native connection, just click on actions tab, click on new, click on the connection. This will show you the list of connection types. Just go to databases and look for Oracle. Click OK. This will give you a new wizard which will request you for connection name, username and the password. So I'm just going to specify connection name as native Oracle. Username should be the database user which we have created. Just click on next. It will request you to specify the connection string. In the metadata access connection string, we have to specify the host name, which is nothing but the database host name of the server. Port number for the database host, the service name or the SID of the host based on the configuration. In my case, it is SID, which is nothing but ORCL. If you have any advanced JDBC security options, you can specify those over here. Now the data access connection properties involves a connection string which will be used to access the data from the database. So this JDBC connection URL will be used to access only the metadata from the database, but data access will happen with the help of data access properties. So we have to specify the connection string which is given in the tnsnames.ora of the Oracle client which is installed on the Informatica machine. So by referring to the tnsnames.ora file, the connection string that I have received is fortuner.world. So this is my connection string. Now just perform a test connection to ensure that metadata access is correct. So this test connection will consider only the metadata access properties. It will not look for data access properties. Now the test connection is successful. Just click on next. If you wish to give any environment SQL or transaction SQL, you can specify that in this wizard. Just click on finish. Once you click on finish, the connection will be created in the admin console. And as I mentioned earlier, the connection that's created in the admin console can also be seen from the developer tool. Now we have this connection created in the admin console. Now let us see if this connection reflects in the developer client. So I have this developer client session open here. So to view the connections from the developer tool, just click on Windows, go to Preferences, click on Informatica, expand the Connections tab, which is this. Expand the domain view and click on the database. Look for Oracle and look for the name of the connection. So the name of the connection was native Oracle, and yes, I do see the connection here which is created from the admin console. So in this way, you can create the native Oracle connection in data quality. Verifying if it is the same connection. Yes, it is the same connection. So now we have learned how to create native Oracle connection. If you want more information, you can refer different knowledge base articles that we have. Also, you can refer the application service guide. We would love to hear from you on this. You can write us at supportvideos@informatica.com or you can tweet us at the given link. Thank you.